You know, this is my opinion, but I feel like he's decent. I feel like he's decent. 50 Cent for me. Okay, again, my opinion. Very sick. Very sick. I feel like this is a weird list. Why decent? Kid Cudi, he cool. He cool. Future's cool. Who is this? Who is this? I don't know who that is. I'm gonna wait because I don't know who that is. A Boogie, very okay. 21, he decent. He decent. Little easy. I'm putting him in very sick. Gucci Mane. See, I feel weird saying this. I feel like this list is weird because I don't want to say not good. Like, let me switch it. Oh shoot! Oh no! Shit! Damn! Damn, bro. I'm gonna put okay. Okay, I'm gonna put okay. Who this? I don't know who that is. Young boy. Okay. I feel like this. No, this list. Okay, this list is trash. This is like trash. Let me see. I'll put like dope. Nah. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Damn. I'll just replace it. Okay. Trash. Look, I don't know them. I don't know them, so I'm gonna just put them in trash. I can't tell from at least these photos if I do know them, but and this is real opinions. Only 6ix9ine song I was listening to was Gummo. Gucci Gang was all over the radio, so I knew it, but I wasn't listening to it. Wasn't listening to those other songs. What he has like a song that people love. I forget what it's called, but he has like a bunch of other songs that people was messing with. And like I said, I can't tell who these are, but I don't think I know them. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. Cardi B, I don't listen to her, but she got like some songs that be getting stuck in my head. Oh. Alright. Yeah, I feel like 50 Cent has like really good stuff, but like Andre overall, Future's okay, or Young Thug's okay. This Smoke Perp. Literally never listened to a Smoke Perp song. I remember when NLE was first starting, I think he did a song with Smoke Perp, and I didn't listen to it because there were certain artists like I didn't used to like hearing on featuring with other people. I just liked hearing them by themselves, and he was like one of them. Oh yes, Lil Baby up there. It's probably controversial how I put Lil Baby over 50 Cent. 50 Cent is this is talking what you think music wise. Like if this was a different list, obviously he'd be in legend because he up there. You know what I mean? He been doing this for a minute, but it's not. You know what I mean? It's like when I listen, I'd rather listen to Lil Baby over 50 Cent, but not by a lot. You know what I mean? Like I'd really still rather listen to like 50 Cent is fire. Like Very Sick and Goat is where like most of the people I listen to is gonna be. I don't really listen to a lot of new YoungBoy. I haven't listened to like any new YoungBoy since 2020. Well, I've heard stuff, but like I haven't put it on a playlist or sat down and listened to it. Like you know what I mean? Decent is like maybe I listen to a couple of your songs, but like up here is like yeah, nah, you. No, if I'm saying that though, I'm gonna have to drop you. And since I haven't listened, that's gonna be hella controversial because people be on Young Boy's meat. But because I haven't listened to him since, but nah, his 2018 stuff and like all that's fire. I'm just a lonely child. I don't know because I feel like decent is bad. I feel like I should say good. Damn, bro, stop. I feel like Very Sick is like super white. That's better, right? Hall of Fame up there, good. Okay, trash. Again though, this is just my opinion. It's my opinion. It's my opinion. It's designer. We was all listening to Panda, but I didn't listen to a song by him since then. I can't tell who this is. Fabio. Fabio cool. G-Eazy. Gunna. Cole. Wiz. Yeah, up there. Oh yeah, up there. Yeah, alright. Is TJ? Oh shit, what I just... For me, TJ is up there. I listen to a lot of TJ. Lil Wayne is Hall of Fame for sure. Logic is good. Cardi, I don't listen to Cardi. Only thing I listen to is him featured on Earthquake. This is Meek Mill? Oh yeah. Yeah. Meek Mill up there. What is this? Moneybagg Yo? Oh, he definitely. You know, I put Moneybagg Yo here because I like his voice. Pause. But I don't listen to any of his music. I tried and I just couldn't. But no, he is good here. Matter of fact, we should make another list below trash that says like mega trash. Oh shit, no. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch this color up too. That's yellow. Green. Do it right there. And with one of these. And then I don't know. That works. Okay. Yeah. So just a little trash. A little trash. Yeah. Like I said, I don't know who this is, don't know who this is. I feel like I've seen them, but I'm not sure. So for the don't know, I'll just put them I'll put them down here because I don't know who they are. They are on mega trash. Well actually I'll make another one. I don't know you. There we go. Alright. It's a little trash. Who this? I feel like Nikki has to be on this list. And I don't think that's her, so this is her, right? It's gotta be Nikki. It's so hard to tell. These photos are like... Oh. A fault. That's Nicki Minaj, right? That's Lotto. I think it's Nicki Minaj. I think this is Nicki. Offset? Offset good. Kendrick. Hall of Fame. Roddy, he cool. Cool. Polo. Ooh, no, he Hall of Fame for me. He Hall of Fame for me. All three of the Migos. Okay. That is, yeah, that's just Offset. all three of the Migos, they up there. Come on now. Eminem. He alright. Cross is cool. Who the hell is this? I don't know you. Melly. Not good, not good. Corday, he's good, but I don't listen to him a lot. Drake, he alright. Who is this? She looks familiar. Is this Megan Thee Stallion? Yeah, it's Megan Thee Stallion. I don't listen to her, but the verses have heard, she's fire. So put her up there with Cardi B. Quavo by himself. 2 Chainz. Chainz cool. Stunner cool. Takeoff by himself. Tory. For me personally, he up there. Who's this? Trippy? It's gonna be controversial. I'm probably gonna switch it around a little bit, and also I'll explain why. Okay. Let's join it, right? Yeah. Okay. I was gonna say I was gonna switch it around, like who I think the Hall of Fame, like do this, but I don't know. No, honestly, like the best right now, in my opinion, even though he's not my favorite rapper right now, is Polo. I be listening to Polo all the time, and he's like up there. But also, Baby been doing this longer, so I would put Baby in front of him. And then rapper wise, Lil Wayne, but like musically wise, Andre. But personally, even though I think he's better at rapping, like lyrically and flow and all that, than Meek, and he's better like overall music than Meek, I really like Meek. Really like Kendrick, Eminem, NLE. Yeah. And here. Ooh. X been gone a while, and I don't listen to X like that no more. So I'll probably just leave him here. Probably put the Migos next to him. I just know Tory's up there. I like Kanye a lot, but I don't listen to Kanye a lot. Again, Juice been gone a minute. I'll probably put him back here. No. Tory a little more than Dirk. Boogie more than TJ. And yeah. Okay. Melly. Melly. I know Sean would be up here. And the Baby would be up here. Probably behind Sean. Young would be probably like behind the Baby. Uzi probably in front of both of them. Future. Oh, damn. Okay. Now I'm trying to these later, like I said, this one I really was just saying like I think they really the top 2 right now in the rap genre, and then this is like more of like favorites past that. All these other ones I've been doing favorites. I'm not saying of like this person's better than this person. You know what I mean? I'm just doing like favorites. I think. So Joyner would probably be down here. Individually, I think they would all be down here. Like I said, I don't listen to Megan a lot, so I'd probably put her here. Logic down here. But Homicide go fire, but also later, yeah. Put him above her. I put Pop like here. I was listening to a lot of Nas for a while. I don't listen to Lil Nas X as much no more. I put like 21 like there. For me personally, yeah, that's cool. Something like that. Oh, no, something like that. That boy up there. I Damn, I don't listen to like a majority of these people. I'm not gonna lie. Right here. Damn, I don't listen to them like that. Like, truthfully. That's cool. That's cool. Like I said, panda. So probably something like that. They're all trash. There's nothing to do. All right, yeah. That's probably my tier list. Probably my tier list right there. Probably controversial, because some people probably would have been like, you know what I'm saying, young boy up here, and like probably, you know, I don't know, maybe someone put Quavo up here. I know people would definitely put Cole up here. You know what? I'm gonna put Cole. Like here for me personally. All right. I think that's good. All right. Cool. Like S. For me S. What is this? What the hell is this? Is this the Christmas special, or what am I looking at? An Ewok? I've never seen this. But what is this? Battle of Endor? I've never seen these. Holiday special. Okay. Controversial. Alright, well, there's chills for that. That was fast. S A B S, in my opinion. A. Ooh, no, S. Show wise, he's a B, but also I played as him a lot in the game, and he's like fun to like. He's just good. Yeah, I put him up. Let's see, he's cool, but like, bro, he did something, bro. Like he killed someone who I liked, so I don't want to spoil nothing though. My boy Deku. This guy cool. You don't really see him a lot though. Nah, cause they are not in the same. He cool, but like he's cooler. No, he don't even do nothing. All these little kids. Nah, okay, I won't do that. I won't do that. I'll think about that harder. Ooh, the goat. Sorry, put this like this. Put this like this. Put that like that. Put that like that. Yeah. Okay. Mr. Compress was cool as hell, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think no. Ooh, never mind. I was gonna say I don't think no one else is touching S, but that's cap. Okay, now I don't feel like no one else is gonna be touching S for me. Oh, that's nah, yeah, nah, that's cap. I lied. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. It could change because I said the same thing about S, but I don't think no one else is touching A for me. Genus. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No offense to the nurse, but she an F. But if she's an F, he's an F. Tokiyama, he cool, but he don't really do nothing no more. F. What else is it? Oh, this is bro. Ida's brother. Cool little villain. Cool little villain. Damn, bro. He's useful. He's actually very useful and helpful. He like all right. Night Eye, Night Goat. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Tattoo. Okay. Damn, bro. All these other like characters gonna be hard because they kind of just whatever. I don't even remember what she does. This isn't power level, by the way. This is like who I like, like favorites, I guess, or who I think is better. Yeah. A lot of these classmates is on the same level. That boy got smacked, bro. That's spoilers too, but that's so early on. Like, bro, that boy got smacked. Who is this? Oh, Bakugo's mom. Boy, Sun Eater. Ooh, overhaul, bro. What else is this? All right, all right. That's in order. That's in order. That's in order. Um. Hmm. Okay, this is harder because like a lot of them, I feel like I wouldn't pick power wise. I'd pick like just usefulness or story. He's cool once he gets his like gear. She's cool and supportive and all that, but she can't do nothing. She's very useful. He's useful. He was cool. I actually really liked him. Put him down here though. Right there. Nah. Um. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. That's how I do it. Not even finna lie, bro. That boy got smacked by All Might. That's probably how I would do that one. Only reason I put Manette up there as well, because even though he's like a pervert, these two are good together. They're like funny, and he's a perv, but he be funny sometimes. Put it on here, and here, and here, and down here, and here, her here, him here, her here, her here, her here. That's good. And put that boy back here. Put that boy back here. Little girl here. There, 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 there. Put old girl like down here. I don't even remember her. This man got smacked, bro. Talk about it, L. I like the back of Go's mom. Yeah. That's my tier list for that.